Hi guys, welcome back. It's Ashley bringing you the everyday looks. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to show you how to do an everyday smoky eye. But to start off, I just want to recap on the products I use. You can see my face is already done. Did it super quick. I already have that video. So for foundation, I use the LA Girl Pro Coverage. I'm a warm caramel. I use the LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. I do have on concealer today, and I use the Profusion Concealer. Sorry, it melted in my car. But typically, I use this shade around my mouth because it's darker than the rest of my face. And then I'll use this shade under my eyes. I only like to go slightly lighter than what I already am. And my Wet n Wild bronzer. Alright, the fun part. So a little trick I wanted to show you guys. You can put chapstick. This is just regular chap ice, like $1. You can put it on your eyelid and it'll make your eyeshadow super pigmented. If you're a primer person, you can use your primer there as well. It does the same. Alright. So today, the colors I'm going to do, I'll give you the order. It's going to go 1, this like lime green. 2, it's like a green silver. 3, another green. I'm going to transition with this color. I'm going to darken with this one. This is going to go over the transition. And this will be like my brow bone, under my eye, under my eye. But you'll see all that. Alright, to start, we're going to do the lime green. And as I've said before, I'm not really a brush person, but I was able to find this, and I love these brushes, okay, with the basic applicator, but it's this that I love. If they have this little point here, I love that, so I'm using this today. Alright. So I'm going to put the lime green in the corner of my eye. And I'm going to take the lime green all the way until about half of my eyelid, and then we'll start to bring in the second color. And I'm going in with the green silver color. And I just like to start building it over the end of the lime green. Now we're just going to take that silver green and basically just pack it onto the outer edge of the lime green and kind of get your applicator a little dirty so it blends better. And then just continue to pull the silver green down. And be as wide as you can with the applicator. The more dirty you can get the applicator in between the switches, the better the blend will be. Okay, now for the color I said would be 3rd. It's like a green, but it's really dark. It's really gray. And this one is going to go right here on this outer V. Next, I'm using my finger for this one, but I'm going to add my transition color, which I believe I said was going to be this purple. I'm going to do it lightly because I don't want too much purple showing, just enough. And you just put it right up there. And then I'm gonna go in with the light pink and put it, I'm sorry, wrong order. I'm going in with this lavender. I'm putting that right over the transition color I just did. Now I'm taking the pink. I'm going in my brow bone. Just kind of right under the eyebrow hair. Just to lighten it up some. And then now I'm gonna go in with the dark. I don't want to use the black. I just want to use this kind of silver black. I'm gonna use one side of this pointy end. And I'm gonna go right here in this crease. And just kind of start packing it in. Right here. As you pack in that dark color and you're filling in that V, try to be as wide with your movements as possible. It helps to create that smoky eye, wide eye look that we're trying to achieve. Alright. Under the eye, the green. Taking the same little applicator. I'm just going to go slightly under here, under this waterline. Not going far. Adding that little green. I was going to take the black back over, but I'm leaving it. Just going to leave it like that. Okay. And there's that eye. Again, we're going to start with the lime green and go in the corner of our eye. Making sure to only go about halfway. Okay, bringing in that silver green, just packing it onto the edge of the line, blending them together. Remembering if we get our applicator a little dirty, it helps that blend. That more silver green right there on the edge. Still in the V formation, but this is a little more wide. As you can see, I really like to use the outer edges of my clean fingers to kind of help smooth and blend the colors together and clean off all the excess dust. All right, we put that pretty magenta as our transition. We covered it with the lavender, hitting the brow bone with the sparkly pink just to lighten things up. Now for the more tapered V with the darker color. It's not quite black, but more silver black. We're just gonna hit that tapered V. Use wide motions, help give that smoky eye look. I know I said I was going to go in the corner of my eyes with a different color, But at the end, I realized it was bright enough with the lime and that'd be a little excessive. But if I had gone in, it was going to be with the white. I'm just adding a little more, widening out that lime green a little bit, adding in the dark green on the waterline. A recap on the mascara I use. This is LA Colors Super Volume Jet Black. If I'm not using this, then I'll typically go to the CoverGirl, the yellow tube. That's super volumized mascara in jet black as well. And we are done. This would be my everyday smoky eye. I hope you guys like it. If so, you already know, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm going to be bringing you more everyday looks. Alright guys, peace out.